Have you looked at the crypto market lately? Isn't it crazy? Things are getting even stranger. It has been made public that the world's biggest banks have begun buying tens of billions of XRP Ripple coins. The price of XRP Ripple will go up to $367 according to experts. This is the most important movie ever about XRP. Let's get right to the point without any more nonsense. Nota bene. Okay, the latest news about XRP Ripple has made people in the cryptocurrency world very excited. The Basel Committee on Banking Supervision released an important study that showed 19 banks around the world hold XRP as one of their crypto assets. These banks' XRP holdings are worth a staggering $10.27 billion. This is a very important step forward, not only because it shows that institutions are becoming more interested in XRP, but also because it means that Ripple's token is becoming more widely used in finance, which could increase demand and possibly cause a big price jump. A well-known member of the XRP community, Jack the Rippler, took to X to talk about this development, which made it even more important. He said that XRP has become one of the most popular altcoins among those who have reported ownership, making up about 2% of all crypto exposure. This may not seem like a big deal at first, but when you look at it in the bigger picture, it's actually a pretty big amount that shows how popular XRP is. Becoming among standard financial players. Based on this exposure, XRP is the third most common alternative currency that these banks have heard of after Bitcoin and Ethereum, which together hold 53% of all the coins. There are huge effects on XRP from the BCBS study. The token has had problems with regulators over the years, most notably with the case from the Securities and Exchange Commission. But Ripple's recent win over the SEC in court has changed the story and made investors more confident again. Now that regulatory worries are starting to fade, companies have a better idea of how they can use XRP, which could make more people want to buy it. When banks and other financial institutions, especially those regulated by global groups like the BCBS, start keeping XRP, it means that the token is becoming more legitimate. This extra interest from big businesses could lead to a huge buying spree for XRP on the market, which could make its price go through the roof. The circulating amount of XRP will naturally shrink as more banks buy it, either for transactions or to diversify their holdings. This will cause the price to rise. This price increase is most likely to happen if XRP keeps becoming more useful for making payments across borders, where Ripple already does very well because of its fast processing times and low fees. A quote from Stuart Alderode, who is Ripple's chief legal officer, shows how important XRP's new role is. The full potential of XRP can finally be reached once regulations are clear. Ripple's goal of becoming the world standard for digital payments looks more and more like it can be reached as banks add more XRP to their systems. People would be able to get the token more easily, and this change could also make other banking institutions think about following suit. That sounds exciting, right? Hold on though, because it's going to get bigger. The story of XRP's growth is just beginning, and the latest price changes? There's more to it than that. Why do experts think XRP's next move could shock the market? That's what this movie is all about. From partnerships that change the game to big financial buy-ins, prepare. The things that are said here might blow your mind. Based on past data and strong support from the community, it looks like XRP is about to become a big deal. The post-election breakout cycle for XRP is one of the most interesting patterns that market experts have seen. The price of XRP tends to form a symmetrical triangle before its elections and then break out strongly afterward. After the elections, XRP went through this pattern and saw huge gains. After the 2016 election, XRP went up by an amazing 60,000%. In 2017, it hit a high point of almost $4. After the 2020 election, it went up 177%, but a regulatory setback from the SEC case stopped it for a while. Still, XRP made a big comeback. A 700% rise brought it to almost $2. As a result of Donald Trump's victory, experts such as Mickey Bull think that XRP will follow the same pattern it has in the past after an election. Many well-known crypto experts agree with Mickey Bull that the coin is about to make another big move. If you stick with XRP, Jack the Rippler said on X, you will be the first multimillionaire in your generation. It's easy to feel optimistic in this group, where both fans and analysts see the same pattern. Another well-known crypto fanatic, Amonix, recently wrote that XRP at $10 is not worth that much. XRP is still worth less than $15. Most people know that XRP is worth $100. Their views show that they are becoming more and more sure that XRP has a lot of promise that hasn't been used yet. What does this mean for the price of XRP? If the past happens again and XRP goes up by 700%, it could reach around $5, which is a big jump from its current price of over 60 cents. But if we look at the very best of its past performance, which is 60,000%, XRP could hit an amazing $367. Though these numbers are just guesses, even a small rise of 100% to 500% after the election would bring XRP's price to between $1.20 and $3.60, which many buyers would consider a huge success. The current state of XRP shows that it is already getting popularity, as its market cap of $34.76 billion and 22% rise in November alone show, as people get more excited about XRP's possible breakout. Past trends and the support of well-known people in the community could help it go even further. As a result of a history of huge rallies after elections, good regulations, and backing from big players in the market, XRP's future might just surprise everyone. For the community, this could really be the start of a time when early adopters could become the first millionaires of their age, just like Jack the Ripper says. Just when things were getting dull, let's talk about whales. As soon as word got out that banks are putting billions of dollars into XRP, the whales jumped in and bought billions of coins along with the banks. What does that mean for us? This style of rising prices could be the thing that takes XRP to new heights. Some say even more than $300. Let's look into why this might be the best chance for people who own XRP so far. It's quickly becoming a storm from what started out as a quiet rise. As whales, both banks and traders got ready for what many people think will be a rally that changes the game. The excitement about XRP isn't just about its price going up. It's about the chance of a huge move that could take the coin to unimaginable heights. As much as $4.37 billion worth of XRP changed hands in just the last 24 hours, which is a huge increase in trade volume. The whole crypto community is paying attention to this rise, which is 103% higher than the previous days. This is especially true since the market as a whole seems to be rallying thanks to Bitcoin's record-breaking rise to $89,000. Brett, one of the most important people in the crypto space, says that 9.6 million trades happen in just 1 minute. Are we about to have a huge surge? Also, it's a good question. Things can get worse very quickly when whales start to move. The fact that whales are still buying more XRP shows how much of an impact they have on the price. When people buy in big amounts, the market can't ignore the demand. At these high prices, each trade sets a new floor for the price, and the more XRP they buy, the more pressure they put on the price to go up. XRP's price has been below $1 for a long time, which means there's a lot of room for growth. This is especially true when you consider that XRP has historically gone through huge price jumps after big events like elections. Let's look at the big picture now. With their help, where could XRP go? A rise of 700% to 60,000% is not just a dream. It's possible, especially when you look at how XRP has done in the past and how the market works now, if the same thing happens after the 2024 elections, the price of XRP could go through the roof. After elections, the price of XRP has gone up by 60,000% in the past. This time, even a 700% rise would bring the price to around $5. But if the price goes up even more quickly, it could easily go up to $367, leaving many early buyers with huge gains. These kinds of numbers are real, not just ideas. They are based on the fact that XRP has a history of giving huge profits when market conditions are right. It's clear that XRP is ready for some real action, since whales are buying a lot of it, and the overall bullish trend in the market is fueling an altcoin rally. Add to that the fact that institutions are becoming more interested and the chance of major regulatory clarity. It's also possible that the price of XRP will change in a huge way. We thought things for XRP couldn't get any better, but now look who's interested. Not anyone else but former President Donald Trump. Could this be the most important sign yet that XRP is going up? Let's look at why this might be the big deal we've all been waiting for. People in the